In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sector-wise watchlist in Tradingview. By the end, you'll have clean, focused watchlists that group stocks by sector so you can scan opportunities faster and stay organized. Start by opening Tradingview and heading to the top navigation bar. From there, open the Products menu and choose Screener. This takes you to Tradingview's built-in stock screener, which is perfect for building a sector-based list. Once the screener loads, make sure you are on the Stocks tab so you are viewing equities and not crypto or forex. If the layout looks crowded, you can resize panels or hide sidebars to give yourself more room to work. Next, apply a sector filter. Look for the sector filter at the top of the screener and click it. From the drop-down, choose the industry you want to focus on, like technology, healthcare, or finance. You'll now see the screener narrow down the table to stocks that match that sector. This is a great moment to sort by a column that matters to you, such as market cap, volume, or performance, so the list is ordered the way you prefer before saving it. With the sector filtered, select all the stocks on the screen. Click any one stock in the table to activate the list. Then press Ctrl-A on Windows or Cmd-A on Mac to select everything that's currently displayed. If it doesn't select the whole set, click inside the table again and try once more to make sure the focus is on the screener. Now, right-click on the selected rows. Choose Add Selected to Watch List. Then pick Create New List. A dialog will appear asking for a name. Type the sector name, like technology or healthcare, and save it. Keeping a consistent naming style makes it easier to manage multiple sector lists later. To view your new watch list, go to the top right corner of Tradingview and click the watch list icon. You'll see the list you just created appear there. Select it to load the symbols into your sidebar. From here, you can scroll through the names, open charts, and apply alerts or indicators as you normally would. If you want a full set of sector lists, simply repeat the same process for each sector you care about. That's it. Thanks for watching.